Welcome to the Windshield Defense step-by-step installation guide for Bronco. In this video, we'll show you how to install our multi-layer film quickly and professionally. Let's get started. Our Windshield Defense kit includes everything you need for a seamless DIY installation. Inside, you'll find one laminated piece of film with 3 individually removable tear-off layers, a spray bottle of installation fluid, a professional-grade squeegee, and a detailed instruction guide to ensure the perfect fit every time. Preparation is key. Make sure your vehicle is thoroughly cleaned. We recommend a professional detail or automated car wash. Remove any decals or stickers from the glass. Windshield defense must go directly onto a clean, unobstructed surface. Next, move your Bronco to a dust-free, unclosed service bay. Ideally, this should be a climate-controlled environment. If not, ensure the bay is clean, without active fans, and free from high traffic. Now, it's time to clean the windshield. Generously spray the installation solution onto the windshield. Scrub thoroughly with a scrub pad, and squeegee the water off using the pull method from the center towards the edges. Focus on seals, wipers, and the roof area. Spray the windshield one more time with the solution, including the air around it, to let any dust settle. When removing the liner, spray the adhesive side generously as you go, ensuring even coverage. This part is best done with 2 people. Place the film onto the windshield, making sure both the glass and the film's adhesive side are saturated with solution. Spray the top of the film to assist in the next step, squeegeeing. Start with the center pull method. One person holds their side, while the other uses a squeegee from the center, pulling the water towards themselves. Repeat until most of the solution is removed. Switch sides and repeat. Next, use the center push method. Push the remaining solution towards the edges using firm, consistent pressure. Ensure every drop is removed to get a flawless finish. Finally, use a clean lint-free towel to wipe away any excess solution from the edges. After installation, let the film cure indoors for 1 hour. If it's over 90 degrees Fahrenheit outside, keep the vehicle in the shade or indoors for an additional hour to prevent any hazing or bubbling, and make sure everything looks perfect. Your Bronco is now equipped with windshield defense, giving you that added layer of protection for all your adventures. Happy driving and stay protected.